Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a pinch effect in CapCut. So first, add your clips and then zoom it in like this. After that, add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the clips. Then add another 2 keyframes before the end like this. Okay. And then after that, on the third keyframe, so this one's right here, zoom in the clips again. Okay, and then on the last keyframe, zoom out the clip completely like this. Okay, and then between the second and third keyframe, so this one, go to grabs and select ease in 1. Then for the last 2 keyframes, add the ease out 1. Click on the check icon, and then after that, add a black image under the stock video. So click on the plus here, go to stock video and add this image. Okay, after that, click on the transition box and then choose camera and then select the pull out. Click on the check icon and then go to the third keyframes, this one, and then go to video effects, basic, and then find the wide angle effect, this one. Adjust it and set it to 100. Click on the check icon and then set the effects until the end of the first clip and then copy it 2 times and then place it at the bottom like this, and then make the third and the second and the third effect longer than the first one. Okay, so it'll go like this. So here is the pinch effect on your video in CapCut. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.